Good evening, this is Corrine Lancaster. I would like to introduce you a little bit to Piktochart and show you some of the things that I have learned on Piktochart. I have gone to Piktochart.com and I've already created my account, so I am in, if you'll notice over here. See if I can drag this over and see here's where I have logged in. Now, what I would like to do is I am going to not use a template, but I'm going to create a new infographic. I really like the Piktochart idea and the ability for my digitally inclined students to use this, because for each unit I introduce, we do a one pager, and I think this would be really great for them to be able to start and create it themselves. So just very quickly, I would like to put in a title. So I'm going to include a title, and I went over here to the left-hand side and clicked on text and clicked on title, and it gave me my text box. From there, you just follow the instructions and you're good to go.